Access the mounting holes by adjusting the knob. To do this, loosen the jam nut and turn the knob counterclockwise. This will extend the main plate. Determine the location on the conveyor where the adjustable bump out will be mounted. Ensure there is adequate space to mount the adjustable bump out. It is recommended that the adjustable bump out be installed 2.5 to 3 inches above the belt. Press the template against the conveyor structure and mark the locations where the mounting plate will be fastened. A minimum of 6 fasteners are needed. Note: ensure the adjustable bump out is mounted parallel to the conveyor belt. Drill the marked holes using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Align the adjustable bump out with the mounting holes and fasten it to the conveyor using the included 1/4 inch hex head screws, washers, and nylock nuts. Use the knob to adjust the angle of the bump out. Tighten the jam nut to lock the adjustable bump out into position. Visually confirm the adjustable bump out at the desired height and width. Run the conveyor for at least 15 minutes and inspect the adjustable bump out performance.